Targus is renowned for offering its loyal fan base everything from rolling laptop cases to detachable tablet pouches, everything in between. Sharp lines and cleverly crafted interiors set its bags apart from the competition, all of which were designed with tech-loving commuters' needs in mind. There are a lot of different factors that analyses go into making the perfect decision for choose best Targus rolling laptop bag. With so many different laptop bag on the market, it can be hard to know which one is best for you. If you're looking for the best Targus rolling laptop bag, you've come to the right place. In this video, our expert team provides an in-depth overview of the top 5 Targus laptop bag on the market and helps you decide which one is perfect for you. We will also provide some tips on how to use Targus rolling laptop bag. This video aims to provide the viewer with enough information. Take a few minutes to check out link on description box for each product mentioned. So don't wait, watch our full video. Product number 1. Targus laptop backpack for professional. With soft curves and a slim silhouette, this gorgeous backpack has been uniquely tailored to offer an incredible mix of striking good looks and awesome practicality. Made from lightweight, weather-resistant materials and plenty of high-end features, this is a brilliant option for commuters who need to work on the go. On the inside, there is enough room to comfortably carry a laptop measuring up to 15.6 inches, as well as a separate compartment for your tablet and other devices. There is also a deep pocket for business cards, pens, and smaller gadgets, water bottle pockets, and reflective accents for increased nighttime visibility. This bag space is water-resistant, meaning you can confidently set the bag down when you need to. The padded backpack straps are easily adjustable to suit your frame, and the integrated pass-through strap on the back allows you to slip the backpack over the handle of your suitcase for trips away and overnight stays. Product number 2. Targus Drifter 16-inch laptop bag. Designed for urban warriors with a passion for tech, this backpack is made from rugged nylon material and features a water-resistant base to keep your gear well protected, even when you set the bag down. With a rugged carry handle and durable zippers, this model is perfect for people who really like to work and play hard. With a dedicated and well-padded laptop compartment that can comfortably hold laptops up to 16 inches in size, as well as a large main compartment that comes complete with an interior divider for storing and organizing your documents. This is an excellent backpack for the office and beyond. The thick padding on the back conceals a large hidden zippered compartment for keeping your personal items safe, while the soft, fleece-lined pocket at the top, perfect for keeping your sunglasses and cell phone free from scratches. There is also additional space for business cards and a key clip. The heavily padded shoulder straps are adjustable to help you find the perfect position for long-term wear. The breathable mesh back panel promotes air circulation to prevent sweating during use. Product number 3. Targus Legend Backpack for College Student. Designed as a backpack for mobile workers, this is an excellent alternative to a traditional briefcase. Made from super strong materials available in a sleek black colorway, this backpack is packed with high-end features, including a dedicated media pocket and a sizable laptop compartment, large enough to house laptops up to 15.6 inches, with a separate pocket lined with soft touch material for your tablet. You can be sure of an impressive level of protection for your tech. With a media pocket that offers a built-in cord and headphone jack, you can keep connected to your tunes, even on the move. And the smaller interior pockets, multi-purpose side pockets, are perfect for keeping your personal items neatly kept in place. With adjustable and padded shoulder straps and a back panel that helps to promote airflow, this backpack will remain comfortable even when it is full. As an additional feature, this backpack also remains upright when you place it down, making it easy to access everything you need in an instant. Product number 4. Targus Water-Resistant Laptop Backpack. His sleek backpack offers streamlined aesthetics and lots of usable space, with a design that makes light work of carrying heavier loads for longer. With a durable PVC bottom panel, you can place your backpack on rough or dirty floors. The clever positioning of the water bottle holder ensures that your tech is kept well out of the way of drips and spillages. With a foam-padded laptop compartment designed to absorb the shock of everyday use, a mobile phone pouch for quick and easy access, this backpack has been designed with the modern commuter in mind, also offering a wealth of storage sections, including a padded CD pocket, a porthole for headphones, pen loops, and even a key clip, as well as extra pockets for files and documents. This backpack will help you stay organized at all times. Designed to fit laptops with screens up to 15.6 inches in size, with padded straps for extra comfort, this lightweight and incredibly awesome backpack, great-looking alternative to more traditional laptop bags or briefcases. Product number 5. Targus Newport Professional Laptop Bag. The beautifully designed backpack comes in an eye-catching black and olive colorway, giving it an air of urban chic for tech lovers on the go. With high fashion looks on the outside, The interior offers the same excellent organizational capacity that the brand is so famous for. Offering 3 convenient zippered pockets, you can easily keep all of your day-to-day essentials neatly packed on the go. Perfect for protecting slim laptops, notebooks, or even tablets. You can safely carry devices measuring up to 15 inches in the dedicated laptop compartment. There is enough space in the main compartment for a change of clothes, your gym gear, or other personal items. Made from high-density water-repellent twill nylon with gorgeous leatherette accents, this stylish backpack is as perfect for days out as it is for the office. With padded and adjustable shoulder straps, as well as premium metallic clasps and fixtures, this backpack is both comfortable to carry and beautiful to look at.
All those products in our listing have been used and tested by our experts team. We made this top product list based on experiences, expert opinion analysis about those products' features, reviews, quality, price, and performance. So don't wait. Take a few minutes to check out the discount price on description below. If you have any queries, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for never miss more great content like this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.